Hey there, this is Christy Ashcraft from Christie's Lead Services. I was just doing some research in our area. I work in Abington, and I came across your company. So I thought I'd shoot you the screencast video and give you some tips on how to get some more traffic online and some more reviews. Get yourself up there in Google. So feel free to implement any of this stuff on your own. And if you'd like to learn more about how Christie's Lead Services could help your business, please reach out. My door is always open. I'd love to chat. Just reach out via phone, email, or text. And if not, no harm, no foul. So I'm going to start with content and keywords and talk about citations and backlinks. I'm on your website in the front page. Looks like you have awesome images here. Even the way you're saving your images counts as content. So save those as highly searched keywords, like maybe snow removal, Montgomery County, Bucks County, whatever areas you service. A nice video here, which is always great for sure. People like to see people working in action and actual faces. That looks great. We put about 1,500 words of content that flows on the front page. This helps Google understand what services you are trying to perform and where. So those 1,500 words are just called authoritative content. And then within those, we scatter about 10 highly searched relevant keywords, things like, again, landscaping, Montgomery County, whatever services you want to be found for. So I'm going to talk about the map pack and citations. I'll go back to keywords at the end. I just put in a Google search for landscaping service, Southeastern PA. As I know you're aware, there's many different ways that people search for the same thing on Google. I could have just done landscapers, Southeastern PA. But this is where you want to be. You want to be in the map pack here for as many highly searched keywords as you want to appear for. The map pack is great. It's just great in mobile. You take up about 5 lines usually, sometimes more, well, rarely less. And you can just click to call. Your website's there. You're going to get about 80% of the traffic if you're top in the map pack and top business organically underneath it. So let's talk about the map pack and how to get there. You need to go through a little process and, keep your reviews and business up. But you also want to beat out your competition's citations. A citation is just your business name, address, and phone number appearing in online directories like Yelp, Yellow Pages. The more you get it out there, the more connected you are, and the more Google trusts you. Helps boost you up in the map pack. So also you want to be underneath the map pack in the top spot organically, and that looks like this business here. Definitely want to be on the first page. Remember, most people aren't going past that first page, and there you guys are, which is great. So let me just, in order to get up a little bit more, you want to have strong backlinks, stronger than your competitors, and stronger referring domains. A backlink is just another website that links back to yours, and the domain is where that's coming from. So it could be a blog about landscaping services. If they post a link, that's the backlink, and the blog itself is the referring domain. So I'm going to talk about a program we use called Ahrefs. This is your company. This is your trust and strength and power in Google's eyes. These are your backlinks, and these are the number of referring domains. Quality definitely matters here. If you want to get boosted quickly, you want to have high quality backlinks. It's kind of like a store brand versus the Nikes. Google just likes powerful backlinks, and it makes you more relevant. So with that being said, with your backlinks, domains, and keywords, you're being found for 352 keywords in the top 100, and you're getting about 83 visits a month. I'm going to pop into your keywords and just show you a comparison of that company that was a little bit above you, Terralon, their backlinks, domains, their keywords, and their traffic. And let's just load your keywords, and I'll show you guys. So, looks like you do some bamboo removal, so you'd probably want to have that with a location, because this is buyer intent, but this could be nationwide, which just isn't that helpful. Like this is very buyer intent. Someone lives in Westchester and wants landscaping. 250 searches a month, which is really high. I mean, not incredibly high, but pretty high. And this is easy to rank for. This goes all the way up to 100. It's not the easiest, but it's still pretty easy in terms of money and time. And you're in spot 23. So it's way beyond the first page. You definitely want to be on the first page. Let me see if I can find another one. Hardscaping, Westchester, PA. 50 searches a month, 0 KD. And you're in spot 18. Commercial snow ice removal. Commercial snow ice, Philadelphia, PA. No removal in there. Spot 19. So these are things that, we could take a look at and see if you wanted to add these keywords. Looks like you do a lot of work out of Westchester. But you're still, well beyond the first page there, which makes it tricky to be found, for that service. But again, we're on the first page for Southeastern PA, and that's probably because that was in your actual title of your company there, that you service Southeastern PA. So I hope the video was helpful. And if you'd like to learn anything more about how Christie's Leads can assist your growth, please reach out via phone, email, or text. And I'd love to have a 15-minute conversation with you. My door is always open. If not, the timing's off or you're already tied up, that's fine. No harm, no foul. Thanks so much for watching. Have a good one.